Welcome to Ako Dumar. Ako Dumar is a woman-centered community, a space that creates connection,
and a space to inspire women.
Ako Dumar translates to a woman's home. It symbolizes a welcoming environment.
A place where women can be themselves.
We started Ako Dumar to build a space where women feel supported, inspired, and celebrated. A place where we can come together and learn from one another.
And to also grow as a community.
Before launching, we expected to make meaningful events for women. After seeing some response, we realized it's becoming a movement now.
Ako Dumar is now a place where women genuinely connect, and we hope to build a lasting community.
Choose people that choose you. My advice is to prioritize your peace and education.
Be confident within yourself.
I like today's events. It's all women inclusive. Celebrating Eid, very beautiful. I like the vibes. Yeah, again, I like it the same thing. We're all women inclusive. It's an Eid time. We never had something special like this.
Allahumma barik. Every single girl that's here tonight, Allahumma barik. They all look so beautiful.
All the outfits out here, wow, it's so amazing.
The food, I really love the food. I love how everybody's dressed to the nines. They're gorgeous outfits, and that event is decorated really nicely.
I think the event is very beautiful. It's always so good to see all the Somali girls coming together, supporting each other.
And one thing I like about this event is just that it's women-centered, and all of these beautiful ladies are here showing their best outfits and good food and good vibes and good energy.